Hello, this is Isha Shanbag. I've done my bachelor's in microbiology and biotechnology from SIS College and master's in life sciences from St. Xavier's College. And now, after my master's, I was planning of doing my PhD, but I wasn't very sure if I wanted to do PhD from India or outside. And because immediately after my masters I had a little gap, so I just started applying for the foreign universities. I just thought, like, why not apply to foreign universities also. And first, actually, I was looking for US universities because my elder sister is in US. But one of my mother's friends gave me the contact of Madhvi ma'am, because she was applying through SWEC for German universities. After that, I came in contact with Madhvi ma'am and I started applying for universities in Germany. And then while interacting with Madhvi ma'am, I got to know that there are many good German universities also. And I also got to know that in Germany, the research in field of genetics, which I was interested in, is much more better than in US. So I decided to go with my PhD in Germany. I got an admit from LMU Munich in 2020 April intake, but due to the COVID situation and because it was a PhD, I had to go there and start my studies, which wasn't couldn't happen because of the COVID. And finally it kept getting delayed. But Madhavi ma'am was supportive throughout the entire time, and she kept motivating me whenever I lost hope and I felt that maybe this wouldn't come through or something. She always motivated me, and she always made me think that if it is meant for you, it would happen, and you need not worry so much about it. And she arranged many different courses for alumni, where first she had a course where she helped us in learning German. And now recently she has another course which she mainly gets us connected with the alumni who are already there in Germany, and they help us with what is currently happening there and everything. So that is really helpful. And so as a person, Madhavi ma'am is very warm. I have met her throughout the application process. I have met her before the COVID times and during the COVID times also, and she has very well gone through the entire process of online and offline. So overall, she's a very good mentor, and she really helps the students a lot. And I have had a great experience with her. And it is just that I am very happy that my finally dream of doing my PhD in Germany is coming true now.